The High Meadows Branch Library presents Hispanic Heritage Month. Tortilla and taco. A few steps to make a taco. Do you like tacos? Do you know how to make a taco? I know. Everyone thinks it's really easy, but let me tell you, it's not. What? Well, you need a tortilla. But do you know how to make a tortilla? Aha, I gotcha. First, we need to plant the corn. The kernels are the seeds planted to grow corn. See how big they grow? Then we harvest the corn and we let the ears dry. When the corn is dry, we need to make it fall from the cob. In Spanish, this action is called desgranar. Yes, there are more steps. Now we need to cook the corn to make it soft and get nixtamal. Nixtamal is what we get after we boil the corn kernels. After the corn is cooked, we rinse the nixtamal and we take it to a grinder or a metate. What is a metate? Well, that is another story. For now, let's go back to what we need next. After all the cooked kernels are ground, we finally have it. Masa. Masa means dough in Spanish. But wait, we still don't have tortillas or tacos. To make a tortilla, you need a little ball of masa and a torteadora. Torteadora means tortilla press. We press the little ball with the torteadora and we cook them on a comal. A comal is a smooth, flat griddle. We have tortillas. We can make tacos. Now, just add your favorite taco filling. All the things you can make and enjoy. Quesadillas, tamales, corn chips, atole. Thank you to my mother, María Juárez de Castillo. The end.